Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. Today is 24th of August. So I'd like us to build on what we left yesterday. We were looking at this chart. So you can see some good pullback. Yesterday, the price did not continue downwards as we said. Instead, the price pulled back upwards. So this was the previous day's highest high. The range we had yesterday is this. So basically, we have this as the previous day's highest high. We have this as the previous day's lowest low. We expect that if the price should break above this line, the previous day's highest high is 1.00204. The previous day's lowest low, this is 0.99008. So in case the price breaks above this line here, we expect it to continue to the upper side. And in case the price breaks below this lower line, then we do expect it to continue to the lower side. That's my opinion as it is now. There is nothing much I'm going to add on it except that you should wait to see a possible sell in case the price breaks below the previous day's lowest low, or if the price breaks above the previous day's highest high, then that will give us the best place to continue looking for a buy from. So basically, that's my opinion on that instrument. The next chart which I want us to look at is GBP USD. So this one I'm going to add a different indicator. Just a second. I'm going to add an indicator which we're going to use for that purpose. Let's see. So let me just check it now. Just a second. Okay, so this is the one I was looking for. So in this chart, basically look at the zones which you are having here. We have a very good verified resistance. On this zone here, we have a very good resistance. We have an untested resistance here. We have a verified resistance, and then we have an untested support here. Then you have a turncoat support. So if the price is to go up and touch this verified resistance, then this will give us the best place to look for a sell from. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking right now, this should be the best place you want to look for a sell from. Expect the sellers to push price upwards up to this level here so that you can pick a sell position. So that is my opinion on that chart. The next chart which I want us to look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. So on this chart, basically we have a very good weak resistance here, but there is a verified resistance. It has been tested two times. We have another verified support here. So this verified support, it has just been used just once, but I think it has also been tested once. Then we have another verified support tested 4 times. We have a verified support tested just once. So basically, if the price is to go up, we do expect it to continue upwards, at least up to these 2 lines here. So look for a sell position, look for a sell order, especially if the price can go up to the verified support, the line we have at the top, which is this zone here. So my next instrument, just to look at gold. On gold so far, the price is in some downtrend. You can see that the price has been bearish from this point here. We have a verified resistance here. We have a verified resistance, and then you have a verified resistance. Then we have a verified support at this price here. So if the price goes up and touches this zone, then this will give us the ideal place to look for a sell from. So we just want to see what happens. We are basically just waiting for a sell, especially if the price can pull back and touch any of the resistance, the verified resistance zones that we have on this chart. So the verified resistance are the ones I just mentioned. We have one immediately where the price is now, and we have another one. We have like 3 others above it. If the price goes to any of those lines, then those are going to give us the best place to look for a trade from. I hope that makes sense. My next instrument is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, we have a very good verified support here. So this hello. So as I was saying, we have a very good resistance. We have a very good resistance at this point here. This is this is the very good resistance. So we expect that if the price buys off from around this area, we expect the buy to push price a bit higher, at least up to this level. First of all, this is the first target. The next one is this one, and then the last one is the line you have at the very top. So my next chart is the Brent oil. So with Brent oil so far, the price is around a turncoat resistance, which is a very good sell place. We basically don't expect the price to break beyond this level, but if that happens, then our next target is this verified resistance. But as it is now, this could be a good place to look for a sell from. So we'd like to see what happens. If the price fails to break beyond it and close above it, we're going to pick a sell position back to this turncoat support. If this zone is broken, then we expect the price to continue downwards, at least up to this verified support. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.